welcome to Family in the Feast channel, guys. My name is Janet. And in today's video, we will be making tamarind sauce. Remember, for all the ingredients and measurement that we will be using in this video today will be listed down below in the description box. Do remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel if you have not yet subscribed for more videos. Here are the ingredients for my tamarind sauce. I am using 1 box of sweet tamarind. I have some Bandania, also known as Culantro, pimento pepper. I have 1 small hot pepper, 4 cloves of garlic. I have sugar, salt, and I'm using some hot boiling water to soak my tamarind. Also, I want to mention, if you don't have the culantro or pimento pepper, you can leave that out. You can just use the garlic and the hot pepper. I just add the culantro because of the flavor it gives to the tamarind sauce. I love it. All right, so our next step is to start peeling the tamarind. Okay, guys, so this is how you want to peel your tamarind. I'm going to crack them open. Take all the shells off. Make sure you get all the shells off of it. And you want to take the string off of it. This is what you're going to soak. So I'm going to finish off with the rest and I will show you the next step. So here's a look at my tamarind after I finish peeling them. And this is 2 cups of hot water. You want to make sure all your tamarind is covered under the hot water. So we're going to cover this and allow it to soak for about 30 to 40 minutes until the water is cold enough and the flesh gets nice and soft where we can smash into that. Okay guys, so while our tamarind is soaking, we are going to get our green seasoning ready.
Mom, can I put in there?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You can hold the container for mommy. I'm gonna cut my pepper. I'm gonna keep the seeds in from the pimento. My garlic. So guys, if you don't want to use so much hot pepper, it's okay. You can use as much as you like or as little as you like. Here's my seasoning. And to this, I'm going to add some water to help my blender. I am using my hand blender to just finely chop these. Here is a look at my tamarind, guys. This is when you know your tamarind is ready to smash. When you press against it and the flesh starts falling off, it's nice and soft. So I'm going to add this in my strainer. You can work with a little bit at a time if you want, but I'll just put all in at once. Put that on the side, and we're going to start pressing against them so that the flesh from the tamarind pass through the strainer into the bowl. If you want to do this with your fingers as well, guys, it's okay. I'm going to add a little bit of that water that I put on the side. So when I'm done getting all the flesh out of these, I will show you how it looks. Remember not to throw the remaining water out. I am going to use all of it to get the remaining flesh off the tamarind. So guys, I'm going to turn my stove on and I'm going to leave it on a medium heat. And to this, I'm going to add my tamarind. After I squeezed and smash the tamarind, I have 2 cups of tamarind to be exact. I just like to measure that so I can know for the description to let you guys know how much I have. And here I have my green seasoning that I blend. It accumulated to 1/2 cup. I'm going to add that in. I'm going to stir this in, and the thickness is to your likeness. The sweetness is to your likeness, or how you like it to taste. I am going to add some more water to this because I like it a little bit more thin. I'll leave the measurements in the description box of how much water I use in total. And I'm adding some sugar. I'm going to allow this to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Throughout that 15 minutes, I am going to taste and make any adjustments that I feel is needed. But I like the thickness of this. I am just going to taste to make sure that it has enough salt and the sugar is to my likeness. So when you're making your sauce, make sure you taste it to ensure that you like the sweetness or the amount of salt there is to it. Here's a look at my tamarind sauce, guys, after I add all my ingredients to this. This is the thickness that I like. It's been 10 minutes actually to this on the stove, and I'm going to take this off. Once this is cooled down, it's going to get a little bit more thick, so keep that in mind when you're taking it down with the thickness that you like. You can leave it just a little bit thinner than you want, because when it cools down, it will get even thicker.